Cause I'm more clever than ever. Remember the weather, it's never been severed. Forever December endeavor, whatever the hell they can never pretend to do better. I'll end it whenever. I plan to be so hot, but I got haters feeding me antifreeze. Profanity to humanity, I'm playing lost and found with my sanity. Life is such a slut, she fuck with everyone, no shocker. But I'll fuck the world up, no World Cup, but I'll soccer. So proper, rocking cardigans like Mr. Rogers' father's son. My neighborhood is awfully fun when I shoot through your window and start to run. The mission's a kick it with bitches, we pick them and dip them and drop them as quick as we get them. They listen to shit that we spit and admit that they wish that their boyfriend was different like this is. Haters take my order like a cashier or vendor. I tell them head buddy unicorn, then go teabag a blender. The #1 defender, only contender that I see is me. You bitches are headed nowhere. Guillotine, overdose and comatose and broken bones and open noses. Most of those who claim the dopest only know the faintest doses. If your girl's round me, I pull up Pittsburgh and steal it. So the best move for you is to get some makeup concealer. Who the fuck are you to come and judge the truth? This is what the fuck that I do. Bitches say that I'm a pig, but they all have the swine flu. And at the end of the day, there's nothing you can do to me. You think that you're in control, but it's not real. You live in a lucid dream. This game is a jungle and you can't stand it. Come into the wild, I guarantee you leave like Chris McCandless. Check my innuendo, we never really been friends, yo. I'll take you to the top floor and push you out the window. The world's on your back while I'm juggling like 10 globes. Don't got no weed this time, but I'ma make it to the end. Even though they mad, we did it. We fucked the baddest bitches, cause we don't have no limits. You can feel the passion in it. Even the best get stressed, all the greatest are haters. So when they try to bring you down, that's how you know that you made it. You want it, I get it. You rolled it, I lit it. You do it, I did it. You dream it, I live it. You want it, I get it. You rolled it, I lit it. You do it, I did it. You dream it, I live it. I live it. You dream it, I live it. I live it. You dream it, I live it. You want it, I get it. You rolled it, I lit it. You do it, I did it. You dream it, I live it. Girl, you should show up to my house naked. I mean, in the way, why put on clothes if they're coming off anyways? High school's getting kinda old. These parties are really fun to me. That's why I feel like E.T. when I show up. I just come in peace. You can never see me, so that's why you have to listen. And I've never been subtracted. I'm just trying to make a difference. Never sin where we never been in. We're just spending money on weapons for protection. Call it defensive. Standing here screaming, fuck the world, like whores do it. Not driving a Bronco to the fame, but I'm looking forward to it. I cut like swords through it, in sorts I resort to it. The floor's moving from chords, grooving when I record music. I think when I'm drinking, I'm singing and thinking, I'm bringing the ring and I sing it with thinking, I'm clinging to things.